What is going on, guys? Have you guys heard of a hot new stock called Tesla? I thought it would run after the split announcement, but man, this is out of control. Luke here to tell you exactly what is going on, but more importantly, what to do with your Tesla stock today, right now, this very second. And it is critical that you do this if you are looking to avoid a crucial mistake with your Tesla stock as the craziness just continues to ramp up. So let's get started right now. Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we will cover what exactly is going on with Tesla stock, what the unintended consequences are of this run-up, and the one thing you need to do right now. And stick around till the end as I have some super secret, stealthy, frothy information for my subscribers as it relates to my program that just went live today. So if you aren't subscribed, do it now, as this video is just a little taste of the information you will get in the program. So if your Tesla stock position went up this week, hit the like button and let's get started. What exactly is going on with Tesla stock? Well, the short answer is the price is skyrocketing. Okay. Video done. See you guys. Just kidding. We talked about this exact point in my last video about Tesla Secret. I'll link it at the end so you don't have to find it. But Tesla has massive, massive plans coming, and the stock split announcement was the catalyst that has really turned the whole stock around after a pretty good sell-off after the earnings call. Now the retail investor, you and I, who has been the huge driver in Tesla's rise, will now have an opportunity to purchase stocks at a much more reasonable price. Well, maybe, unless this continues, then it won't be reasonable by the time the split happens. So there is huge momentum plays going on right now, as people who can buy now are plowing in ahead of the split in anticipation of a huge run-up afterwards due to the unleashing of a lot more retail investor funds coming into Tesla stock. And when you have momentum trading like this, even the pros who trade that way and the algorithms that trade momentum are being triggered, and hence why this increase has been so sharp, so quick, even at the elevated price level. Or just stick to the short answer and say the price is skyrocketing. What the unintended consequences are of this run-up. Now, not all run-ups are pure goodness, and as always, there are some unintended consequences to be sure, if I could say the word unintended consequences. But this run-up is really unique to say the least, which I guess kind of fits the MO of Tesla stock perfectly. And the unintended consequence is strictly chaos. Look, the trading has been frantic since the split announcement. The stock was clearly trending down and busting support lines quickly prior to the announcement, signaling that, investors felt the price was a little frothy. No, I wasn't worried or thought it was going to crash or anything like that. But it did enjoy an extended run-up and, a pullback was to be expected. So outside of the announcement of a split, which from a value perspective is a non-event, why this massive run-up again? Did anything earth-shattering happen in Tesla in regards to sales or an announcement of a new product that is going to change the world tomorrow? Not really. But now there is frantic trading, FOMO, and just overall chaos, and investors are trying to do a good job analyzing and making decisions, but the best you can come up with is, well, it's freaking Tesla. This is what it does. Huge run-ups, huge drops. Sometimes you just can't make sense of it. And there is a lot of speculating going on both sides. So is this going to be like earnings, where the upside is already priced in ahead of the split, so it actually drops despite the retail money flooding into the stock, and large investors riding the momentum and will just dump ahead of the split? Is this the start of another extended bull run blasting through all-time highs? Would you really be surprised if the shorts haven't lined up more money again shorting the stock? Why would they do that, you may ask? Because I can guarantee their metrics are flashing right now with short flags everywhere due to the unusual and sudden movement up. All of this together makes for some very chaotic trading and wreaks havoc on you as an investor trying to figure out what to do. So that leads me to the one thing you need to do right now to own this chaos. Now, I want you to think about the Tesla stock you own or want to own. You got it in your head, right? You got it. All right. Now I want you to tell me right now, without hesitation, what is your goal with that Tesla stock? And no, Just saying make lots of money or get rich doesn't count. I'm talking about specifics, everything defined and written out like price targets. How long are you going to hold the stock? What price are you looking to sell, if at all? What if the stock crashes 50%? What will you do? If it runs up over $3,000 per share tomorrow, will you take some profits? And if so, how much? If there's a tax strategy involved, what is it? Have you ever thought about the tax implications of those moves if you happen to sell? Do you have everything defined and written out ahead of the events happening, both good and bad? Are you struggling to answer the questions? Can you answer those same questions with every trade you've made in the past month, 3 months, or 6 months? If not, you need to know the answer to those questions so you have a plan in place for anything that the stock does. That is the one massive thing you need to do right now, this very second. You need to define all those answers. You will make poor decisions in your trading if you do not have goals and do not know what you are going to do in every scenario with Tesla stock. And let's take this one step further. And I'll tell you a little secret too that nobody wants you to know. What is your bigger goal that all of your trades are supporting? Again, I'm talking specifics here, like having financial freedom and knowing your financial freedom number, or to buy a brand new house, or whatever it is, not just get rich. If you do not have answers, or your answers are very weak and not really defined to these questions, you are missing out on one of the biggest secrets to investing, and that is goal setting. Seriously, it's never talked about, but yet it's critical to your long-term success as an investor. You have to transform from an investor aimlessly firing at the next hot stock promoted by some YouTuber or the chat rooms or wherever, into an intentional, confident, and dynamic investor who actually hits their goals and will be on the path to gaining real wealth or whatever your goals are. Tesla doesn't become Tesla by chasing hot auto trends. Warren Buffett isn't one of the greatest investors ever because he's chasing the next hot stock. They all planned, had goals, are diligent in their analysis, and intentional with their actions. The program I just launched will teach you exactly how to do all of that, step by step. No, not New Kids on the Block, really? And I will be there with you every step of the way so we can work through the course together to maximize its effectiveness. You will have direct access to me to help you through the material. It will take you from goal setting for both you personally and your stocks to defining your trading style and how to incorporate that with your goals. If they don't align, you won't hit your goals. I'll show you exactly how to analyze and choose stocks, how to go over the financials, how to buy and sell stocks, and what I look for when evaluating a stock to buy. It will also have many trading truths and secrets sprinkled in, I think that kind of looks like sprinkles, doesn't it? Throughout the entire course, and show you how to stay objective and cool and eliminate emotions and FOMO from your trading, because we all know FOMO sucks. Now, do you need this program to get wealthy? Absolutely not. You can get out there and piece the information together or just figure it out on your own. I mean, I went to public school and I was a B or C student at best, so the bar is not very high. And wealth is being built by people every day without my course. But if you want to know exactly how I did it and have it all laid out for you, then this may be the program for you. But even if you don't want mine, please just promise me you will get educated. The link is in the description, right there at the top, so please go there and check out everything the program has to offer. And I even give away a few lessons for you to check out. And you can actually see every lesson that's included in the course. Just make sure you click the arrow to reveal the entire list of lessons. It's done in the same style as my YouTube videos, and it's easy to understand, coming from a public school kid. I cut the fancy jargon and other crap I see others doing to make themselves look smart and get to the information that you actually need. And I also give you PowerPoints to download in addition to the video instruction. So for my subscribers, and subscribe before YouTube bans you or something like that. Yeah, that's it. YouTube will ban you. Yeah, you didn't know that? Yeah. You will be able to access the course right now for $199. This is a limited time offer and it will go up to $299 after that. and I'm not a big sales guy, so I really don't want to play games, and I like just trying to keep it simple. So I'm being honest when I say I don't know when it will be that cheap again. But I wanted to offer it to you guys at that lower price as a thank you for you guys supporting the channel. I checked out the other courses being offered by other YouTubers, and they range from $1,200 or so, which seemed crazy to me, down to around $400 or $500 or so, which kind of seemed to be the average. But I wanted to give you guys more value for less money. As you all work hard for your money, you've been wonderful support to me, and I think you should get the most out of your money. So at least go there, check it out, and see if it's for you. And as always, thank you very much for your support. And for those of you that are interested, I look forward to working with you directly. Thanks.